Hi, my name is and I'm here to try something new. We're gonna watch something incredibly cringy. I wanted to try it, see how it goes. If you like the video, thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna try my very best not to either cringe out or start laughing. Just serious face, all good. Girl's way too confident about her intelligence.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, immigrant parents, first generation going to college, humble, modest. 2, me, I don't know, PhD, cancer biology scientist. I work in a biotech company. We make COVID-19 testing kits, stuff like that. And then 6. It has nothing to do with your background. I don't think you really have the highest EQ out of all of us. Tyler, he ranked last for me personally because the way he carries himself. He was ranking intelligence based on his point of view.
Okay, this chick looks like she's only getting old from half of her face. Is that a thing? Is that a thing? Is that a thing?
And not taking in other people's point of views and compiling results. You know, the way he carried himself, the way he acted towards the group.
Oh, now you fucked up!
Coming back to intelligence, it's not just your IQ, it's your EQ, it's your common sense, it's street smarts.
It's your EQ. As soon as she saw that, she immediately was like, listen, it's not all about IQ, it's about EQ. You know, equalizers and treble and bass.
So, like, what's your name?
My name, Michael.
Nice.
So, what about you? What's your name?
My name is Destiny.
So,
No!
how old are you?
How old are you?
I'm 17.
I'm 16.
Oh. Nice. This might be like a weird question, but like, just from my voice, I sound like kind of cute.
Sure.
Whoa.
Just
What are you
clearing.
choking on?
Oh my god.
I hate this! Absolutely. Okay, I didn't. Oh, that is so. Ooh. No. This.
Let's go! You just get hotter and hotter every second.
I can't. The fact that he kept that facade going for that long baffles me.
Or represents all as awkward people.
It's Mr. Plinko himself. What's going on? Won $3,000 on Plinko. Give it a spin. Good luck to you.
Him, how tall is that guy? What? I wouldn't know what to do either.
Which normally a whip, but you need a nipple right now.
I wouldn't even know where to go either. I'd be like, what? Pregnant woman crying for weed after having an arrest warrant issued for smoking while pregnant.
There's, is there any, good weed around here, you guys? It's really shitty whenever I try to... I just need some weed and I have to take care of my arrest warrant. Girl.
Everyone wants to be a drummer until...
He kept going. Is she gonna go try again? Yo. Joy Behar concerned about how the war will affect her vacation plans.
Estimates are 50,000 Ukrainians will be dead or wounded, and that this is going to start a humanitarian crisis, a refugee crisis in Europe. We're talking about 5 million people that are going to be displaced. I mean, it's heartbreaking to hear what is going to happen.
Well, I'm scared of what's going to happen in Western Europe, too.
Yeah.
You know, you plan a trip, you want to go there. I want to go to Italy for 4 years. I haven't been able to make it because of the pandemic. And now this, you know, it's like, what's going to happen there?
Yeah.
Man, I really wanted to go. I was so excited to go on vacation, but then COVID hit. And I got through COVID. And then I was so ready to go on vacation again. And then Russia invades Ukraine. My vacation plans are ruined. Okay, that was a few minutes on the internet. Give it a like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel for more. See you next time.